It's time we have a little talk about hydroxyl acid, or DHMO. DHMO, also known as hydroxyl acid, is one of the most dangerous chemical compounds in the world. You can't smell it, you can't taste it, and it's colorless. It's almost indetectable, and it causes thousands of deaths each year. It's found almost everywhere, but don't take it from me. The University of Hawaii in Manoa states that it's used as an industrial solvent in cooling in nuclear power plants. It's also used in biological and chemical weapons manufacturing, in pesticide production and distribution, as an additive to food products, and as a preservative in fresh produce. DHMO has some detrimental effects to the people. It's a major component of acid rain, and some hazards of DHMO are death due to accidental inhalation of liquid DHMO, even in small quantities, severe tissue damage caused by prolonged exposure, and severe burns from exposure to gaseous DHMO. It's also shown that precancerous tumors and lesions compose largely of liquid DHMO. Here are some of the symptoms of accidental DHMO overdose, which are excessive sweating or urination, bloated feeling, nausea or vomiting, electrolyte imbalance, and hyponatremia, dangerously low sodium levels which can lead to heart, liver, and kidney failure. It's literally an invisible killer, and we haven't heard about it until right now. And the contamination is reaching epidemic proportions, as Stanford researchers discuss. Quantities of dihydrogen monoxide, or DHMO, have been found in every stream, lake, and reservoir in the world. Nowhere is safe, and the pollution is global. The contaminant has even been found in Antarctic ice. Now pause. Why would the CDC go on with their business without warning us about DHMO or hydroxyl acid? And companies still dump waste DHMO into rivers and the ocean, and it's still legal. So why haven't we been warned about this? Well, maybe it's because I didn't tell you what DHMO or hydroxyl acid is actually. I just led you on with a whole bunch of misrepresented facts. DHMO is also known as dihydrogen monoxide, as previously discussed. And dihydrogen monoxide is actually water. You might be thinking, how did he trick us into thinking that water was bad for us? Well, I didn't really trick you. I didn't really lie at all in this video. You see, when it talked about the hazards of DHMO, and when it said inhalation of liquid DHMO can cause death, well, if you inhale water, would you die? Yes. If you're exposed to ice, would you get frostbite? Yes. If you get exposed to steam, can you possibly get burned? Yes. And overdose is the key word here. The water overdose includes excessive sweating or urination, a bloated feeling, nausea or vomiting, electrolyte imbalance, and hyponatremia. Yes, it does. I never lied to you in any point of this video, but because I framed it in a different light and used different wording in order to describe water, I made it sound like it was one of the most harmful chemicals on the earth. And this goes to show that we need to have scientific literacy inside of America today. Without scientific literacy, we can't really post any individuals that step onto the platform and tell us something false. Without scientific literacy, we don't really know that much about the solutions and the problems in our worldly lives. And this is going to be the actual downfall of our nation. Without scientific literacy and taking everything with a grain of salt, we'll never know what's real and what's fake, especially with the increase of AI usage today. Has been Josiah from Learn While I Learn, and I hope you have learned while I learned.